Today, let's dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and finance. I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night, wherever you are in the world. It's been about 24 hours since I made a post over on X about the headlines from March 2023. Take a look at the Bitcoin chart from then until now. The collapse of banks in 2023 acted as a catalyst for crypto to surge even higher. And this won't be the last bank collapse. It's a recurring issue. Banks aren't exactly the safest places right now. I mentioned in my post that the bank collapse should signal the local bottom for Bitcoin and crypto. Today, Bitcoin is trading close to $63.6 thousand. But what's more intriguing is the resurgence of various altcoins. The top gainers and losers across the board are showing significant price movements, which is quite exciting. The Fear and Greed Index is holding steady at 58, which is a positive sign. Bitcoin dominance is also weakening, as I predicted. Looking at the charts, we're seeing bullish signs for Bitcoin, with the momentum cooling off, indicating a potential upward trend. On the weekly chart, things are still bearish, but the upcoming week could be pivotal. The recent rally in the S&P 500 is promising. History shows that market turmoil often precedes rallies in both stocks and Bitcoin. The futures market is also showing positive signs, hinting at a strong open for the week ahead. Now, let's talk altcoins. The altcoin season seems to be on the horizon, with Bitcoin dominance likely to decline further. This presents a significant opportunity for altcoins to shine. Despite recent dips, altcoins are poised for massive upside potential. Many investors are anxious about altcoins, but this fear is a promising indicator. As Bitcoin dominance falls, altcoins are set to soar. It's essential to stay focused and patient during these times of uncertainty. The technical analysis of altcoins like XRP, Ethereum, and HBAR against Bitcoin suggests a bullish outlook. These altcoins are showing signs of potential breakouts, signaling a possible altcoin season. While the future remains uncertain, the indicators point towards a bullish trend for altcoins. Keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance, as it will be a key factor in determining the fate of altcoins in the coming weeks. In conclusion, despite the current market fluctuations, I remain optimistic about the future of crypto. Altcoins are poised for a significant rally, presenting lucrative opportunities for investors. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to stay informed and patient during these volatile times. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out. Let's jump right into it. I just woke up, so if I sound a bit groggy, you'll know why. Today's news is a bit unusual, to say the least. The Bitcoin halving has come and gone, and it feels like we've been waiting forever for this moment. Yet, amidst the discussions about Bitcoin's future, there's still a lot of confusion floating around. First up, hedge fund manager Anthony Scaramucci is back in the spotlight, predicting that Bitcoin's market cap will eventually surpass gold's $16 trillion valuation. It's interesting how these predictions keep cropping up, but when they actually come true, it's like no one bats an eye. Remember when Bitcoin surpassed silver's valuation a few weeks back? It was big news at the time, but then it quickly faded into obscurity. It seems like we're always chasing the next big thing without fully appreciating the milestones we've already achieved. In a recent CNBC interview, Scaramucci hailed Bitcoin as a superior asset unlike anything witnessed in the last 5,000 years of human history. While it's an impressive statement, let's not forget that computers weren't around 5,000 years ago, so it's not exactly a fair comparison. The constant speculation about Bitcoin's price is also exhausting. Will it hit $70,000? $75,000? It's like a never-ending guessing game, with each new milestone quickly overshadowed by the next target. Speaking of milestones, let's talk about Bitcoin transaction fees. They spiked during the halving, reaching as high as $128, before dropping back down to $8 to $10. While this isn't anything new, it's worth noting that Bitcoin's fees have been high before and will likely be high again in the future. Meanwhile, in Switzerland, a group of Bitcoin advocates is pushing for a referendum to include Bitcoin in the country's currency reserves alongside gold. While this is a bold move, it's still in the early stages and has a long way to go before becoming law. Overall, it's an exciting yet confusing time to be in the crypto space. Let's not forget to appreciate how far we've come while keeping an eye on the road ahead. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Hello, and welcome to another Bitcoin update video. Today's update will be brief as it's the end of the day, and the daily candle is about to close. It's been a quiet day overall, with Bitcoin showing little movement while some altcoins like Ether received attention. There's a possibility that the Elliott wave count is in play, but it's uncertain if the third wave has begun. It's more likely that we're seeing a wave 2 in a running flat pattern, which could be bearish if confirmed. However, this is speculative, and we need to observe key levels. If this is indeed a running flat, the C wave doesn't necessarily need to surpass the A wave high. So, even if Bitcoin moves higher, a breakdown could still occur as long as it remains below resistance levels. It's crucial to focus on relevant levels rather than precise micro-counts. One potential scenario is a move up in the C wave, but confirmation is needed, possibly with a break below Thursday's low to signal the bulls regaining control. While some are speculating about a bear market, we're not close to critical Fibonacci retracement levels. The support zone between 61.2K and 64.3K is holding for now, indicating the possibility of a bullish scenario, yellow count. The white count becomes more likely if Bitcoin drops below 61.2K. However, even in that case, a significant drop isn't guaranteed, possibly ranging between 57.5K and 55.9K before finding support. Strategically, lowering costs through scaling in or utilizing grid trading during this range-bound market could be viable options. Key breakout levels to watch are 66.4K to the upside and 61.2K to the downside. That concludes today's Bitcoin update. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. For more exclusive content, consider joining the channel membership. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well and having an amazing day. Let's dive straight into it. If you've been keeping up with the news, you've probably noticed the ongoing surge of optimism in the cryptocurrency space. Jeff Kendrick, the head of digital asset research at Standard Chartered, remains bullish on Bitcoin, setting a year-end price target of $150,000. This optimism has been consistent, with Standard Chartered revising their predictions from $50,000 to $150,000. Despite recent market dips, Kendrick attributes this to temporary factors like slowing inflows into Bitcoin ETFs and global events, maintaining a positive outlook. Institutional interest in Bitcoin continues to grow, with wealthy individuals consistently buying more. This confidence is reflected in Bitcoin's resilience and its potential for a strong recovery. Meanwhile, the rise of meme coins like Shiba Inu and developments in projects like Polygon have been generating buzz. Polygon's recent attention, possibly triggered by news of partnerships and developments, highlights the community's anticipation for its potential growth. Litecoin has also re-emerged in the spotlight, with renewed interest sparked by rumors of an ETF and its impressive 12.5-year